This is the free flight motor powered glider kit. It is available on Alibaba, but it is not right now. It is not available on AliExpress. I found it on my local website, so you might be able to find in your local shop or some your local hobby website. Or but here unfortunately on Alibaba you have to purchase a lot of these sets. You cannot purchase a single or two, so you will need to search on your locally or in a local hobby shop. At one point it was available on AliExpress, I remember that, but right now I have searched but I could not find it. So today I'm going to make a glider from this glider I have bought from a local website, but this it is also available on Banggood and AliExpress. This is I have this a capacitor powered kit, so I am making a second one for this free flight glider kit. This is a free flight glider kit I have bought from a local website, but it is also available on AliExpress and Banggood. So I will put the link in the description. So I will use it on this glider that I have made. It is based on the glider that I bought from a local website. So this is the ready-made glider. It is a capacitor powered, super capacitor powered glider. So I will put the battery in position like that. So I will mark. So I will mark where the capacitor is. So I will put the battery here. So it is a rechargeable. When I put the power lead in, there is a small LED that will get the red LED that will turn on, and once it is charged it will turn off. This is a small push button. When you press, the motor start spinning. So I have tested it, and the motor will spin for about 15 seconds and then it will stop. Then you have to press this button again to start it again. So I think I have not tested it how many times it will run, but this is how it works. When you push the button, it will run for 15 seconds and then automatically it will stop. That is a good thing, so that the glider, as it is a free flight glider, so that it does not go too far. Now I will install it on this. I have used the double tape to mount it. Charging the battery. The light has turned red. So once it is charged, it will turn off.